Good morning, beautiful people. Are you ready to tackle that stubborn belly fat and feel your absolute best? I know how frustrating it can be to work hard, but still struggle with that little extra padding around the middle. But trust me, we've got this. In this video, I'm sharing 7 science-backed morning habits that can help you torch those extra calories and rock that flat tummy you've always wanted. So grab your coffee, tea, or maybe even a big glass of lemon water, and let's dive right into it. Alright guys, first up is a super simple yet powerful habit. Drinking warm lemon water first thing in the morning. You wake up dehydrated and your body craves some love. Squeezing half a lemon into warm water is a refreshing wake-up call. Packed with vitamin C, it helps kickstart digestion. Some believe it boosts metabolism and burns fat. It's not a magic potion, but part of a healthy routine. A fantastic way to hydrate and support your body. Plus, it tastes super refreshing. A little act of self-care first thing in the morning. Let's talk about breakfast, the most important meal of the day. A high-protein breakfast fuels your body and torches belly fat. Think eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein smoothie. Protein keeps you fuller longer, preventing mid-morning cravings. It also boosts your metabolism. Protein has a higher thermic effect than carbs or fats, so you're burning more calories just by digesting. Feel satisfied, energized, and give your metabolism a kick. I know what you might be thinking, wait, fat burns fat? We're not talking about unhealthy fats in processed foods. We're talking about avocados, nuts, seeds. Healthy fats essential for your body. These fats help you feel fuller, boost metabolism, and use stored fat as fuel. Add avocado to your eggs, sprinkle chia seeds on yogurt, or grab a handful of almonds. These fats keep you satisfied and energized. It's all about balance, right? Time to get those endorphins pumping. Morning workouts, especially on an empty stomach, burn more fat. Your body taps into fat stores for energy. Even a quick 20-minute height workout or a brisk walk can make a huge difference. Get your heart rate up and challenge your body. It sets the tone for an energized day. Chapter 5. Hydrate like a boss. Water, water, water. Staying hydrated is essential for burning belly fat and feeling your best. Drink 16 ounces of water in the morning to kickstart your metabolism and reduce cravings. Keep a water bottle by your bedside and take a few gulps as soon as you wake up. Add lemon or cucumber slices for a refreshing twist. Hydration is key for health and weight loss goals. Chapter 6. Find your Zen. In today's fast-paced world, stress can take over. Stress produces cortisol, leading to belly fat. Prioritize mindfulness and stress management. Start your day with meditation or deep breathing. This reduces cortisol, improves mood, and sets you up for a focused day. Chapter 7. Soak up the sun. Let's talk about the power of sunshine. Morning sunlight boosts your mood and regulates your sleep-wake cycle. Studies show it can even aid in weight loss. So open those curtains and soak up some rays. Outro, burn that belly fat. There you have it. 7 morning habits to burn belly fat fast. Remember, consistency is key. Don't try to change everything overnight. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 of these habits into your routine and gradually add more as you go. And most importantly, be kind to yourself. Weight loss is a journey, not a race. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and keep your eyes on the prize. You've got this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.